Today's recipe is Nuchina Kadubu. To begin, in a pan, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. To this, I'm adding peas and allow it to boil. While the peas is boiling, I'm going to roast the Sooji. I'm just warming up the Sooji. Sooji is done. I'll switch off the flame and pour it back to the container. By now the peas is boiled. I'm going to add in salt, jeera and peppercorns, grated coconut and some oil. This is boiling. I'm going to pour in the Sooji. I'm going to cover this and cook for a couple of minutes so that the Sooji gets cooked. Give it a nice mix and take this into a bowl. Now I'm going to keep the steaming vessel with the water in it to boil. With a wet hand, I'm going to make this. Now the water is boiling in this. I'm going to spread in a muslin cloth and place the patties into it and cover it again. I'm going to steam this for 15 minutes and it has steamed well. I'm showing you the roasted version too here. The roasted and the steamed patties are ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Food.